This place should stay cold all winter. Huh. Let's dig the biggest ice tunnel. The biggest ice tunnel ever. Cold enough to keep carrots fresh. We dig carefully from here. Speed is everything.
Hey!
Watch the snow! Smooth walls keep the cold inside. Look how deep we are! Ah! Time to store the veggies. Organization matters. Whoa, still standing. Light helps. Light helps us see. Best tunnel ever. Plenty for winter. Winter! Perfect temperature. Locked and frozen. No cold escapes. Good work today. Jenny. I'm starving now. This will last all winter. Next project tomorrow. Perfect storage. Winter is prepared.
Christmas Eve baking, calm, quiet, and perfect.
Olivia will love these cookies. Smells like Christmas snacks, Axe Oggy. Joey, get out of my kitchen. I'm baking for Christmas. Relax, Blue Buddy. I'm just, supervising quality control.
Merry Christmas Eve! I brought toppings for the cookies.
Olivia! Perfect timing!
Oh, really? And what have you baked so far?
Joey, please. Just this once, behave. Today, I will teach you how to arrange flowers beautifully. I brought every flower I could find.
Let's choose carefully. Beauty needs balance.
More flowers means more beauty. I can't see the vase anymore.
Let the tall flower stand first.
Oh, so that's how it is, Becky. I'll try to be gentle. Oops. Sorry, little flower.
A small cut makes a big difference.
Hey! Ha ha! I did it right. It's starting to look beautiful.
Details bring harmony.
This is art. It smells like happiness.
Working together makes it perfect.
Teamwork wins again. And again. Let's keep it safe forever.
Simple things can be the most beautiful.
Oh no, this is bad. That roof can't handle much more snow. Looks like a giant marshmallow. D-D-E-E. Get down right now. You are making it worse.
But Oggy, it's so soft and it's so soft and delicious. That's not food.
Relax, Oggy. I've got a plan. We'll clear the snow strategically.
That's not strategic. Uh-oh.
Okay, we do this slowly and carefully. Careful mode activated.
Careful mode deactivated.
That's it! Everyone stop! The snow is really pretty up here. Yeah, best view in the neighborhood.
All right. Let's finish this properly.
We did it! The roof is safe! Well, at least we're ready next time. Just call the professionals. I'll bring my appetite. Christmas is almost here. My house needs to look amazing this year.
Oh, I'm sure I saw you there. Oh.
Oh no! Everything is still plain! I need help, fast! Oggy, buddy, I heard you're decorating today. Stand back, I'm a professional light untangler. Whoa! Of course I'm sure. Maybe Olivia should help too.
Good morning, boys. Ready to make this the cutest Christmas house ever? Olivia, thank goodness you're here.
Oh, come on.
Perfect. I call this Jack's Super Spiral Christmas Design. This is the life. Totally intended.
going to look magical. Just trust the process.
Jack, turn it off! Turn it off!
It's not me. It has a mind of its own. I'm okay.
I think I tasted plastic.
Wow, it's beautiful! Thank you, both of you. This is the best Christmas surprise ever.
Everything has to be perfect tonight.
Christmas Eve is the most peaceful night of the year.
Look at all that food! Christmas is delicious!
Quiet, you glutton. We need a plan. Tonight, we steal Oggy's Christmas feast without him noticing.
Hey! Hey! What's going on? Merry Christmas! Surprise!
Tonight is supposed to be peaceful. No chaos, no stealing, no noise.
But Oggy, Christmas cookies taste better at night.
Out of the kitchen. Kitchen. N-O-W.
Ooh, shiny. Dee, should we?
No! The tree!
Stop touching everything.
Stop touching everything. Big box.
That must be big food.
Or a giant chocolate bar.
No! Don't touch my present!
Great. Now what? It wasn't me. Probably. Crunchy. It's Christmas. Maybe I should try being nicer.
Okay, you two. How about we celebrate together? Just this once.
Together? With snacks? Now that's the spirit. These peaches look perfect. Let's be gentle. Gentle? Don't worry, I'm a natural harvester.
Ripe peaches come off easily. If you pull too hard, it's not ready.
Watch this. See? Harvested. Let's try to keep them clean. Now that one is mine. Jack! Be careful up there.
I'll catch it if it falls.
Victory! Well, that worked.
See, gentle works. This orchard is beautiful.
Hard work deserves a reward. Quality control. Hey, those are for later.
And we harmed and harmed the trees.
Next time, we make peach pie. Let's survive today first. Tonight, we're making Italian pasta. Simple, delicious, and calm, hopefully. Pasta! Long noodles! I can stir, I can taste, I can... Joey! Please don't taste everything.
Let's start slowly. Cooking is about balance.
Listen, pasta music. That was supposed to stay long. All right, water is heating. No rushing. Are they swimming yet?
Not yet, Joey. Pasta needs patience.
Sauce snack. Sauce snack. That's part of the sauce.
Okay, pasta in.
Good Goodbye, noodles. Become dinner.
This is my favorite part. The smell tells you when it's right. Easy. Gentle circles.
Oops. It needs a little salt.
It's okay. We can balance it.
Perfect texture. Perfect texture.
Snowy pasta.
This turned out really nice.
Cooking together tastes better. Next time, pizza? Tonight is perfect. Christmas fireworks with Olivia. I hope everything goes smoothly. Hello, Oggy! Heard there's a fireworks show. Mind if I crash the party? Marky? This is supposed to be a calm evening. No chaos, please. Relax, Blue Furball. I only came for the sparkly explosions in the sky, not to explode your stuff. Just behave. Olivia is coming soon. Soon.
Good evening, boys. Are you ready for the Christmas fireworks show?
Hi, Olivia. Everything is set. I made cocoa and even added marshmallows.
Ow, Oggy. That's so thoughtful.
Marshmallows, fireworks, Christmas. This night is already perfect. Marky, don't eat all the snacks. Who? Me? I would never. Okay, maybe just one. Wow! Look at that! It's like the sky is having a sugar rush.
It's beautiful. I've never seen fireworks this bright.
Christmas magic makes everything sparkle. Hey, look! That one looks like a giant candy cane exploding.
Marky, your timing is terrible.
Oh, come on, Oggy. He's excited. Let him enjoy the show.
Finally, someone understands my artistic appreciation.
This is the best Christmas night I've ever had.
Mine too, Oggy!
I'm okay. The fireworks overwhelmed my balance.
If every Christmas looked like this, I'd never cause trouble again. Well, almost.
Let's just appreciate the moment, all right? Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, my sparkly friends!
This beach is so peaceful.
Wow! Shiny things everywhere!
Dee Dee!
Those are shells!
Look at the patterns on these.
Big shell! Mine! I got it! Careful!
The tide is rising.
Don't escape! Don't escape!
Cold!
That's why we stay dry!
Testing crew Curie, this is a perfect spot.
Hey, we have plenty now.
All right, just one.
I love days like this.
Oops! All right! Time to go!
Before the tide rises more.
Best day ever. Wow, all this snow. Maybe today can actually be fun.
Incoming! Snowball surprise! You're it now!
Baby pocket full of skin. This was my speed to eat. Oh!
Direct hit! That's 1 point for me! Marky? This was supposed to be a peaceful day! Peaceful? With this much snow? Impossible! All right, Team Chaos versus Team Blue Cat! There are no teams. Ugh. Who did that? If you want a snowball fight, I'll give you one. I'm fine. Totally part of the plan. I can't believe I'm saying this, but this is actually fun. Told ya. Snow brings out the chaos.